just had my lunch and I'm really full right now. And a little bit sleepy too, but let's get on with it. So in the recent days, I've been buying stuff online. One of the things that I bought was the Apple Lightning to headphone jack. The newer iPhones has the lightning port. So if you want to plug in a headphone jack, you need an adapter like this. Every one of us has a smartphone right now. It could be a Samsung, Huawei, an iPhone and many more, and it can shoot powerful videos these days. If you have not watched my previous video on 3 iPhone videography tips for beginners, feel free to watch it. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. So if you want to do filmmaking on an iPhone, these are 3 common mistakes that you should avoid. Is it 3? I'm feeling good today, so I'm going to give you one bonus tip at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now, if you're shooting for an Instagram story, TikTok or Snapchat, this is pretty common. If that's your intention and that's the purpose, by all means go ahead. So know the objective of the video. If it's just going to be a 15 seconds Instagram story, shoot it this way. If you're planning to shoot a proper video, rotate it 90 degrees, the landscape mode, and then start recording. Now this happens when you're recording someone or an object from a distance and you want to get your camera closer without walking towards it. So what many people will do is use the digital zoom. But this is highly not recommended because the camera will digitally enlarge the video and that causes pixelation. If you need to shoot something closer, walk towards it and record. There is a difference between optical zoom and digital zoom. Of course, I wouldn't deep dive into it, but optical zooms are the ones you see on the DSLR where they have a lens where they can zoom in and zoom out. Now some smartphones these days have an optical zoom, but it's quite limited. It's probably just 2 times. So you can use the third lens for a 2 times optical zoom and that is alright. So do not zoom in 3, 5, 10, 50, 100 times because it's not going to look good in your video at the end of the day. Now, like what I've shared in my previous video, it's always good to hold it properly and while you record, keep it stable and smooth. If you want it to be erratic, like if you are intentionally moving from a left to right kind of scene, that's fine, but do it with a purpose. If you're recording something and your hand keeps wobbling, it's just going to be really disorienting for your audience. So make sure that you practice the movement, make sure that you take small steps. If you want to run and chase after someone, have a gimbal with you so that the video is stabilized. Now in the iPhone 11 series, you have the ultra wide camera option, which is really great. If you're outdoor and the lighting is all great, then the ultra wide camera is going to be your best friend. I've actually used the ultra wide camera most of the time during my trip in New Zealand. Whether I'm outdoor when it's sunny or it's indoor when we are in the Airbnb, I just use it because it's just great. On the 3rd or the 4th day of the trip, I've transferred the videos from the iPhone to the MacBook, and that's the first time I watch it on a higher resolution screen. And to my surprise, most of the wide angle shots in a low lighting area is really noisy. I didn't realize that when I was shooting initially because on the screen itself it looks kind of clear, but most of the time it's not even usable. Because of that, I would recommend shooting on the normal camera mode when you're in a low lighting area. So that's it for today. My 3+1 common mistakes when shooting with an iPhone. So if you're going out there to shoot a proper video, always remember, number 1, do not shoot vertically. Number 2, do not digital zoom. Number 3, avoid shakiness unless it is for a purpose. And the bonus tip, if you're using an iPhone 11 series, do not use the ultra wide camera mode if you are in a low lighting area. So I hope you've managed to learn something in this video. If you like it, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Is my Swiss Army knife cool? Got this in Switzerland during our Europe trip back in 2015.